Hack it yourself. Meow.
Hey DIY dynamos. Ever found yourself on the verge of replacing a seemingly faulty gadget, only to wonder if there's a simpler, wallet-friendly fix? Today, we're unlocking the treasure trove of DIY repair hacks. So, roll up those sleeves and let's bring our appliances back to life, all while saving those precious pennies. Loose charger port? No problem. Before you think of getting a new phone or laptop, consider this: it might just be dirt playing tricks on you. Using a soft brush or compressed air, gently clean the port. More often than not, you'll find your charger fits perfectly again. And just like that, you've extended your device's life. Squeaky fan, be gone. We've all had those restless nights thanks to a noisy ceiling fan. But here's a trick: a few drops of lubricating oil in just the right spots can change everything. Sweet, silent dreams await you. Freezer frosting up? Frequent defrosting can be a chore. But, did you know that the key is in the door seals? Ensure they're clean and intact. A little wipe with a warm cloth and a dab of petroleum jelly can often do wonders, keeping that frost at bay. Sticky iron troubles. No one likes a gunky iron, especially when those starch sprays leave their mark. Here's a pro tip: gently glide the warm iron over plain paper sprinkled with salt. Not only will it clean up, but it'll glide over your clothes effortlessly, making ironing a breeze. Slow cooker woes. Nothing beats a meal from a slow cooker. Unless it's not heating up. Check those handles, they often loosen over time. A quick twist to tighten any screws can get you back to culinary perfection. Blender blues. A weak blender can dampen any smoothie enthusiast's spirit. But sometimes, it's just in need of some TLC. Take it apart, give it a thorough soapy clean, especially around the blades. Once it's sparkling, ensure the blades assembled just right. Cheers to more smooth, delicious blends. Microwave mysteries. Ever felt your microwaves taking longer than usual? Before you think of replacing, check the door seal. Cleaning it ensures efficient functioning. And hey, while you're at it, a bowl of water with a squeeze of lemon, microwaved for 3 minutes, makes for a great deodorizer. Toaster tails. The key to perfect toast? A clean toaster. Those crumbs can build up and affect its efficiency. Simply unplug, flip, and give it a gentle shake or use a brush. You'll be on your way to toast perfection in no time. Alright, DIY heroes, here's a fun challenge. Choose 2 or more of these hacks and give them a spin this week. And don't be shy, share your victories and bloopers in the comments. Let's create a community of ultimate home fixer-uppers. If these repair revelations are right up your alley, give that like button a hearty tap and subscribe for more DIY brilliance. Remember, with a little know-how, you can be your own handy hero. Can't wait to see you in the next episode, where we continue our journey into DIY magic.